Imagine standing next to a machine so enormous that a normal highway couldn't contain it. A machine so powerful that when it starts moving, the ground beneath your feet seems to tremble. These aren't the machines you see in advertisements or parked at construction sites. They operate far from cities and crowds, hidden deep inside mines and industrial zones, where they move mountains, haul unbelievable amounts of material, and keep entire industries alive. Today, we're counting down some of the largest industrial machines ever built by human engineering. And trust me, the machine waiting at the end of this list is so massive that it will completely change your idea of what big really means. Let's begin. Deep inside giant coal mining operations works a machine that rarely gets public attention, yet it performs a job that would require dozens of ordinary trucks. Meet the Crest Coal Hauler, a mining giant specifically designed to transport enormous loads of coal across rugged open-pit mines. At first glance, it looks like a truck from another planet. Standing taller than many houses and carrying hundreds of thousands of pounds of material, this machine is built for one purpose: moving huge quantities of coal as efficiently as possible. Underneath its steel body sits a massive Caterpillar engine producing incredible torque, allowing it to climb steep mining roads even when fully loaded. Its giant tires tower over most people, and its specially designed dump bed maximizes every load. In many mining operations, a single Crest coal hauler can replace an entire fleet of smaller vehicles, saving time, fuel, and manpower. But as impressive as it is, the next machine makes this mining truck look surprisingly small. Meet the Komatsu D575A3 Super Dozer, officially recognized as one of the largest bulldozers ever created. This isn't the type of bulldozer used to clear a backyard or prepare a construction site. This is a steel monster built to reshape landscapes. With a blade wider than many city streets and enough power to push mountains of earth in a single pass, the D575A3 was designed for the toughest mining and earth-moving projects on Earth. Its enormous engine generates over 1,000 horsepower, while its massive tracks provide the stability needed to move across rough terrain without losing traction. Watching this machine work is like watching a moving wall of steel advance relentlessly across the ground. Entire teams often coordinate around it because its size makes precision movements a challenge. Yet despite its intimidating appearance, it performs its work with remarkable efficiency, replacing multiple smaller bulldozers at once. And if you think that's huge, wait until you see the next machine. Imagine a truck so large that climbing into the driver's cab feels like entering the second floor of a building. That's exactly what the Caterpillar 797F delivers. Known as one of the largest mining trucks in the world, this giant was engineered to haul incredible amounts of material through some of the harshest mining environments on the planet. Everything about it is oversized. Its tires are nearly as tall as a house. Its engine produces thousands of horsepower, and its payload capacity is difficult to comprehend. One fully loaded trip can transport what would require dozens of conventional dump trucks. Built for iron, copper, and coal mines, the 797F operates day and night under extreme conditions. Operators often describe driving it less as controlling a vehicle and more as commanding a machine the size of a small building. Every journey it makes saves mining companies countless hours of work, proving that when it comes to heavy industry, bigger often means better. And believe it or not, now, if you thought the Caterpillar 797F was the ultimate king of mining trucks, think again. The next machine completely rewrote the rules of heavy hauling. Meet the Belle Z75710, a machine so enormous that it still holds the world record as the highest capacity mining dump truck ever built. Designed in Belarus, this giant looks less like a truck and more like a moving fortress of steel. Its size is almost impossible to comprehend until you see a person standing beside one of its gigantic tires. Powered by two massive diesel engines working together, the Belle Z produces an incredible amount of power that is delivered through an advanced diesel-electric drive system. Instead of directly turning the wheels, the engines generate electricity that powers electric motors, allowing the truck to move loads that would overwhelm almost any other vehicle on Earth. In the world's largest open-pit mines, this machine transports hundreds of tons of material in a single trip, reducing the need for multiple smaller trucks and dramatically increasing efficiency. Watching a fully loaded Belle Z move across a mine is like watching a skyscraper slowly come to life. But hauling material is only part of the mining process. Before these giant trucks can transport anything, someone has to dig it out of the ground. That's where the next machine enters the story. Introducing the Hitachi EX 8000-6, one of the largest hydraulic excavators ever built. This machine is a true giant among giants. Standing taller than many buildings and weighing hundreds of tons, it was designed to perform one task with incredible efficiency: move enormous amounts of earth and rock in the shortest time possible. Powered by twin high-performance engines, the EX 8000-6 combines brute force with surprising precision. Its gigantic bucket can scoop enough material in a single pass to fill several ordinary trucks at once. Every movement of its massive arm is controlled through powerful hydraulic systems capable of generating extraordinary force. Yet despite its immense size, skilled operators can position the bucket with remarkable accuracy. In major mining operations across the world, this excavator works continuously, loading giant haul trucks in just a few passes and helping companies move millions of tons of material every year. Standing beside it makes even heavy construction equipment look tiny. But even this impressive excavator isn't the biggest digging machine on our list. For that, we need to step into the world of electric rope shovels. Meet the legendary Bucyrus 495HR, a machine built for one purpose: moving mountains. Unlike conventional excavators, this massive electric rope shovel relies on powerful electric motors and steel cables to perform its work. The result is a machine capable of lifting astonishing amounts of material with every scoop. Its bucket alone is large enough to swallow vehicles whole, while its towering boom dominates the landscape like a steel skyscraper. Operating deep inside some of the world's largest surface mines, the 495HR can load gigantic mining trucks in only a handful of passes. Every movement is carefully controlled, combining immense strength with industrial precision. For decades, machines like this have played a critical role in supplying the raw materials needed to power modern civilization. From the steel used in buildings to the minerals found inside smartphones and electric vehicles, much of it begins its journey with machines like the 495HR. Yet, as incredible as these industrial titans are, they still aren't the biggest machines humanity has ever created. The final giants on our list take engineering to an entirely different level. These aren't just machines. They're moving cities of steel, capable of reshaping the earth itself. And what comes next? If you enjoyed this journey through the world's biggest machines, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next amazing video. More unbelievable engineering